Yeah, my truck got rod knocked this morning. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I guess got to figure out that. Man, you should put some sawdust in the oil pan. It'll soak up and they won't be able to hear the rod knock, and you can just list it on Facebook and sell it. Ain't that kind of wrong? I'm just saying. Like, I feel like that's kind of screwing over the next guy. Well, yeah, but you got to list it a little bit cheaper so that all the resellers come and buy it. So you're not screwing over someone that is actually going to own the truck. You're screwing over some dude that's a reseller, and then it's his problem after that.